buddy. Hey, Gunner Bunner. Up. Come here. Oh, you're getting heavier and heavier. Hi guys, I'm Travis, and welcome to my closet. I'm really excited today. I just launched my merch store. We partnered with Redbubble, and we've got tons of products available. You can get to it by going to my website, TravisWTMC.com, or you can check out the links in the description, and it will take you there. But you're not here for all of that. We are here for this Dooney Bourke. This beautiful canvas bad boy is Dooney Bourke's letter carrier. Oh, let me get the toy from Gunner. Gunner, hold on. Nobody, we can't have the squeaking. I'm sorry, I'll give it back to you in a second. So, this, as I was saying, this is Dooney Bourke's letter carrier. You can see it in the mass shopping haul when I got it the other day. That's located right over here, or maybe here. I haven't figured it out yet. But it's a crossbody, but it's a unique crossbody because it's got these big loops on the side, which I just absolutely love. That's what drew my, well, the first thing that drew my eye to this bag was the fact that it's broken up here in the front. I've been seeing a lot of crossbodies lately that are just blank with like the logo down here, and that's not just Dooney, that's been across the board. So to get this letter carrier with this amazing leather trim and having it broken up on the front just adds so much to this crossbody. So let's start by checking out the pocket I keep talking about. Okay, it goes basically all the way to the bottom, and it's got this absolutely beautiful to die for print on the inside. I just love the way it kind of reminds me of like a beachy theme. I think it's because as a kid, old-timey beachy photos would show big red umbrellas and like the swimsuits and the towels and even like the changing booth would be in this material here. So this kind of just reminds me of summer and of childhood and of the beach. They did a really cool thing here with allowing you to open the bag all the way, and we are already open, so we'll just leave it that way. But the zipper, nothing too special about the actual zipper mechanism itself. Like, it doesn't say Dooney or anything like a lot of Coach products, but it does have this nice leather pull tab. It's extra long, which makes it easy to get it around these loops. And yeah, that's easy to close. It stops a little short of that loop I keep talking about, so that you're not trying, you're not trying to lace it through or anything. This side does have that problem. As you can see, I just hit the loop. But, oh, you can just pull it open. Yeah, we'll just pull it open. Okay. No, we don't need that. I used to chuck the silica gel on the ground, but my dog has started to gain an interest in everything I throw while filming, so we're going to cut that out. Alright, in here, we've got what's very common for a purse of this size is a little key or knick-knack strap. Also, nothing fancy to say about this except for, surprisingly, the metal color doesn't match the overall theme. I don't know why. It's the only thing I can see on this. Yeah, because even this right here has that bronze look, or it's not bronze. I can't think of the word, that's why I haven't said it. But maybe it is bronze. I don't know, but it's just interesting to see that this not only doesn't say Dooney, but it's also Just it's in a different color, kind of just pulls away from the general aesthetic. But I do like that it has a little leather piece right here, and that it's canvas, and it kind of matches the whole theme. And on the inside here, ugh, more stuff. What is this? I haven't seen this yet. Interested in more Dooney and Bourke products? Of course we are. All right, let's show the nitty gritty. Open her up and see what's inside. All right, we've got a pretty good pocket right here on what would be the front. I got all twisted and turned around. It's enough to slide a phone in, and I think you'd still be able to close it with your typical standard 2020 phones. You can't really see it, so I'll just describe it. On the back here, it has on the top a zipper pocket that is actually quite large. I would say it's 4.5 inches deep, and that is right here, the zipper, and that is carried on in the theme color, and it has a little pull tab to zip it closed. But you know, getting to it, ooh, that is not a good zip. Okay, we're gonna try that a couple times, see if that was me. No, well, it's pretty gritty. I don't know. There's another pocket, and it's a copy of the front pocket, and it's got the Dooney and Bourke logo. And once again, carried over that theme of the blue and white stripes. It's so beautiful. It does not at all clash with the red, in my opinion. That just really makes it pop. But other than that, let's see what the dimensions are set to. Okay, that's nice. It's got 2 things of hardware on the strap, and they are they're not parallel to each other, so they're not like right here and here. They staggered them to add to the whole aesthetic, which I really love when they do that. And they're both set to medium. They've got 5 holes, and we'll see where it sits on me. I can generally figure out. Okay, so this purse ranges probably from 19 to 22, 23 inches from its lowest to its longest setting. Now that's just a good guess, but I've done quite a few of these, and if they sit right here, they usually will only average from 18 to 20. But since it's sitting a little lower, and you want it to sit lower because it's a letter bag. You don't want it up high up here. Letter bags in general are usually worn a little bit lower, and going with that old-timey theme, like the postman would have a big letter bag. So I'm really happy with this product, and I just realized, I was about to wrap it up, but I just realized the bottom expands quite a bit. So you're getting a lot of dimension down there at the bottom. Let me take this off. Compared to the top. So it's not, see that? It's a little hard to see. I got about 2 fingers up here, but 3 at the bottom. So you're getting a widening effect, which just, I love this bag so much. And this fabric is so easy to clean. All you do once it gets a little grungy is, and be careful around the leather, but I mean, leather can get wet. You take a warm, wet rag, just water, and you just put a little elbow grease into it, and once it dries, everything should be gone. Unless you've got like a hardcore permanent marker stain. If it's just daily grunge, I mean, this is brilliant back here. And if it was just regular fabric and not this nylon, then it would sour rather quickly. But because Dooney and Bourke has come out with this whole line of nylon products, they are brilliant, they stay brilliant, it's fun and easy to clean. Alright, well, that is that for that bag. Gunner, up, let's say goodbye. Alright guys, once again I'm Travis, and thanks for hanging out in my closet. Bye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Goodbye. Bye.